We've added a new option that allows us to capture the geometry filters for the templates. Now, how is this exactly used? Let's say on this particular part, I've machined this area inside over here, and what I'd like to do is now on the top of these surfaces over here, use a face mill operation with a regular end mill just to go over the top of that to machine it. Now, had I used drag and drop beforehand with the face mill, I was not able to do it just on the top of the surface. It would take the entire part. So what we've done now is as follows. If I were to open up a face operation, and we will go to the option of choosing my geometry, and I'd like to use the option of faces. Now I'll choose my faces. I'll define my geometry by clicking on these three faces, and I'll separate them. So my geometry here are these three chains, and I'll save that. I'd like to choose a specific tool, this 14mm end mill, and in my levels, I'll set this upper level by stock, and my lower level, I'll put it at user defined. In my technology, I'd like to use the option of one pass. Now let's go and save this template. We'll save the template. You'll note at the very bottom, we have include geometry filter. This will actually save the filter that I used inside my choosing of the geometry. We'll give this a name, and we'll save it. Now, I won't even save this operation because I want to show you how this is actually used. So what we'll do is as follows. You can see I have my template that I just created over here. If I drag it now to this face, I'll hold my control button, click on this face, and click on this face. You'll see that the operation, this will now machine these three faces.